Hi, what's up? How's it going, everybody? In today's video we are going to be designing an invitation for a firm. So right now, without further ado, let's step into it. So we have these two images right here, but I'm going to make use of one of them, and this is the test. So right now what we need there to do for us is to head over to this place and change it to A5, which is normal size of A5 invitation. So right now hit on landscape right here. Automatically it turns to landscape. Then let's change the size of the font to 12. So right now let's double click on a rectangle tool right here. Automatically snap into the page the exact size that you want. And mind you, the color of the component is green, so we are going to play around with that. So what we are going to do right now is to just go ahead and turn this to royal blue. Let's go over to, this is JPEG, a bit yes, a JPEG file. Go ahead, it's been converted to bitmap. So if you want to change the color, you just have to go through mode, then let's use a dual tone. So right here what we are going to do is to use what's it called, dual tone. So that's to color whatever. So right now let's change the upper side to green. Let's change it to blue and see the outcome of what we are doing. So good. So right now let's hit OK and see the outcome. This is not nice. Let's go over again, change the upper color to blue. Hit OK. It's not really nice. Let's go again. So we have to just use let's use 3. It's okay. Good. So right now what we're going to be doing is to convert to bitmap. In this case we are going to use RGB. It's okay. Good. Let's go over and just adjust from here. So in this case we are going to pull up this to make it a bit lighter. Nice. It's okay. Good. So right now what we're going to be doing is to reduce the what's it called, the object a bit, then squeeze it a bit, then let's flip it to the other side. Hold Ctrl key on keyboard, then flip. When you get to the other side, you right click, automatically copy paste, then you group the two together. So mind you, we are going to create a space in which we are going to put 23rd confirmation fellowship status ceremony, because that's the main core information that people want to see. We have to lay emphasis on this. Let me show you this portion right here. 23rd conferment of fellowship status ceremony. So right now what we are going to be doing is to create. So let's Powerclip this into place. Go ahead and go ahead to object, then you look at Powerclip, then hit on place inside frame. Indication pops up, you see an arrow asking you what next, then you click on the box you want to Powerclip into. Automatically it goes right in. Good. So our next step right now is to create a box right here. Good. So we are going to change that to royal blue. Good. Good. So what we're going to be doing next is to go ahead to your what's it called, your shape tool, then let's drag from the angle in, just like so. We have a rounded shape right there. Good. Our next step right now is to copy inward. So what we're gonna be doing now is to have this white, then go ahead, make a copy again. Then so what we're going to be doing is to make this royal blue. Then go ahead and use, let's have the altar as green, as lemon green. Hit on F12, a developer pops up. Then let's change the thickness of that to 9. Go over again, let's check on behind field, scale with object, hit OK. Good. There we have this. Good. So mind you, what we are going to be having right here is the first of all. So right now what we're going to be doing, let's change the font to Futura T, Futura MDMBT, then cut right from here. Paste. Good. So let's cut right from this portion, cut, then paste. Good. So what we're going to be doing now is to just, I think this is too much, let's delete the outer color. We are left with this, so let's squeeze it a bit. Then so right now let's lay emphasis on that. So right now what we needed to do is to make this white, then go ahead and just enter right from here, hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces. Then let's bolding this all up, hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces. Then let's try and adjust to really add an effect to that, make it bigger. Good. So right now let's reduce the RD, which is the third. There we have this. So let's position it all up a bit. It has to be good. So right now what we're going to be doing is to add an effect, shadow. Let's add shadow to this to have the effects out here. Good. So nice. Go over to object, break that into pieces. Then let's head over and just make this bolder. So let's give it right alignment, left alignment, then make it bigger. So what we're going to be doing now is to go over and change the font to slimmer font. Let's use Swiss BT. Good. Bold it all up, give it right alignment. There you have this. Good. Make it bigger, a bit longer. Likewise this, let's make it longer. Good. So let's position this just like so. Good. Good. So our next step right now is to bring the whole of this down. So it has to be simple. So let's vary in the text. It has to be just like this. Then you're gonna have the symbol right there, the address symbol and all of that. So let's break this into pieces. Ctrl K to break it into pieces. Then let's head over and just arrange this. This is the what's it called, RSVP. Then let's position this just like so. Good. Give it right alignment. Likewise this left alignment. Then let's position this right in the middle. Good. So right now what we're going to be doing is to just make this green. So we have to make it simple. Sample color right from here, then you pour it on this object. There we have that. Boom. So round it all up just like so, then without key select the text that is behind the what's it called, then hold Ctrl key on your keyboard, then you tap on page up on your keyboard. We have it, pops out, then bold in the text. Good. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to just go ahead and just have this a bit closer just like so. So hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces. We have the 59th president innocent, all of that. Good. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to bolden this all up, then go ahead and bold this as well. Good. So request your esteemed presence. So we're gonna have a line right here. Good. So position it downward. So right now hit F12, a dialog pops up, then you change the thickness of that to 1. So that's where we're gonna have the name of that in this. Good. So right now as it is, we are almost done with what's it called with it. Position this downward, the whole of this downward. Good. Likewise this pattern right here. Good. 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 So right now let's create a symbol for this. But that still, let's just have this as the address. Good. Good. So let's have a kind of lighter green right here. Use your what's it called? We call this interactive fill tool. Here we have the effect, so it has to be right from the top. So right now go over to this grain, apply this grain, then let's head over and just turn it down a bit. Good. Good. So let's zoom up. Let's lay emphasis on the address. Let's make it all cap. Good. Bolding it all up. Good. Let's have a symbol of our date right here. Good. Use your shape tool, round it all up, then copy inward just like so. Good. Copy inward again. Good. Position it just like so. Make a copy forward. Good. Good. Combine, Ctrl L, center it all up just like so. So let's have the upper side cut off just like so. Make a copy of this object forward. Combine the two, then center it all up with the previous one. So trim. There we have this. Hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces, then let's make this tinier. Likewise this. There we have that. Map out. Good. So right now let's have the what's it called, the time symbol right here. So what we're gonna be doing is to hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces, then without key delete this, then let's have a symbol of time in there. Good. Good. So let's go ahead, combine all of this, give it black, set outline to none, then center it all up with this. Good. So let's have a line just like so, likewise this side. Good. So that's done. Combine. Good. Good. So here we come to the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button. Mind you, we're gonna have the name of the company at the top. I can't reveal that. You can use any name. So as I always say in my channel, see you in the next video. Bye for now.